Rain definitely couldn't stop this boat from setting sail, and although none of us were there, the vibes seemed quite intense.
I am Jerry Curl, one of the founder of this boat ride. Well, this boat ride is a historical boat ride.
Peter mentioned the place. So big up all the people that turn out. Original village youth from them time until now.
This is the first, and we initiated with food, drink, everything.
Put things for people. And we say rubber duck jersey.
Hear that? The veteran that does that.
Metro Meter, we have Peter Metro, we have DJ Rolex, we have DJ Steve Marshall.
So baby said it all out. Baby, when I met you, there was peace.
All the people that just come eat up the food, you know, so they go from now straight at the bar where I go. We have to move the bar and bring the bar, we stand up.
Yeah man, this is Peter Metro. Right on the boat ride, the historical boat ride. All courtesy of the promoter known as Jerry.
This boat ride is the only boat ride that comes out that carry the best food, all type of food, authentic Jamaican food.
Pick up yourself, Tasha, the best boat ride forever. Best boat ride, and I really enjoy myself.
We intend to carry this boat ride to our next year and the next year and the next year.
Final one.
I want to big up Metro Media personally. It's a good look and our food make the boat intense, of course.